don't you cry, I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Little angel, I know there's a lot bothering you. My conscience tells me this ain't gonna do. I don't even know how I'ma get this through, but in time you understand how we act a fool. There were nights when I knelt beside your bed, wishing all the tears that you cry were mine instead. Held a pillow, resting your weary head as I put aside the bedtime stories we read. At times I think I failed you as a dad with these memories of the good times we had. Picnics as a family of 3, shop for candies and Ice Age on DVDs. The evening the doctor pulled out your first cavity, beneath the pillow was a 20 for the tooth fairy. But life is such, the ones you love gotta go. How come, how long? I guess we never know. I'ma do whatever it takes, through the bends and shakes, bruises and aches, and I'ma watch you grow. It's scary maybe, baby, you gotta be strong. Close your eyes as I play you the song.
Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
There were nights you couldn't understand, when I made you do things after you said you can't. Made you stay up late, way past your bedtime. You kept missing lines from your nursery rhymes, and you know though you hate it, it left you educated. Full marks are stated, you earned it dedicated. Never would I leave, birthday kisses belated. Rest assured together we gonna make it. Cherish the moments, you wake me every morning. Never seen me stop smiling since the day you was born. I'm sorry you called me at the office the other day. The lady had to tell you daddy was away. The truth is I'd rather hear your voice. After all, you're my little girl, my one and only choice. I'd rather give you piggyback rides, my arms on your side like ain't nothing else to hide. My hands on your tummy make you laugh when you're grumpy. Cheese across the halls like Tom and Jerry. And I promise I'm always beside you, girl, even long after death, till the end of the world.
Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Last night, after the bedtime prayer at the open diary, I started to stare. Couldn't help but notice, couldn't help but care. Little angel, sometimes it's hard to bear, and I know I'm the reason those tears fall down. I see it in your heart when you don't make a sound. It didn't work out between me and your mom. I couldn't let the separation do you no harm. I know it ain't fair of how we both living. Deprive you of love you should be receiving. Age don't seem to make nobody wiser. Plus with the trauma, we started the drama. As grown-ups we still do silly things. Pride make us fight over small little things. This world that we live in is kinda complicated. Few years from now you probably understand it. Till then I hope you find a reason to smile. Though it's messed up what parents do to a child. And hope you forgive what your mommy do. Deep down in your heart you forgive me too.
Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry, I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Goes out to all those who ever lost a mom or dad due to this domestic violence and shit.